This is a Singer Touch and Sew Special Zigzag Model 626. I've been inside this machine. It is all metal gearing. It's got stitches here and a good selector. It's actually of Touch and Sew. It's pretty well made. But it is a touch and sew, which means threading it is also necessary for winding bobbins. So the thread guide on the top here, and then it's got this pre-tension button with a hook on it, and the thread goes around the outside of the hook, and then into the tensioner, which puts it behind that thread guide, and then under that metal finger and behind this hook, and it needs to go back through this wide thread guide and then into the take-up arm there, through this thread guide. There's a thread guide hook on the front of the machine, and a guide on the needle bar, and then the needle threads from front to rear, and I need to get a scissors to trim that. Okay, having threaded this machine, we can set it up for winding a bobbin. So we put our thread down underneath the foot, wrap our tail, and push the button to put it into bobbin winding mode, and then it picks the thread up and winds the bobbin. And it automatically cut the tail off, and we can wind until the bobbin is full. Close the bobbin cover, and now when we lift up, the machine is ready to sew. We can use our fabric to pull two threads, drop our presser foot, and stitch.